Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Obsidian for beginners. So just follow my steps one by one and let's go through that. At the beginning we need to open the browser here, just in my case it's going to be Google Chrome, and then I'm going to go to Google directly, which is the search engine. And now once I'm here I'm just going to search for Obsidian, and I go enter and I go to the first website here, which is obsidian.md. Now whenever we're here we can click on get Obsidian for Windows, and if you're not using Windows just click on more platforms over here in order to choose between more platforms to your computer, either for Windows or even more platforms such as iOS for App Store, Android for Google Play, and also you can do for Windows with standard, ARM, legacy, or even Mac or Linux. So just in my case I'm just using Windows, so I'm gonna back here and I'm gonna click for get Obsidian for Windows, and I'm gonna click on this button. I'm just going to wait until it's downloading over here. So I'm going to click on download for Windows, and as you can see here, starting the downloading for the Obsidian. And now whenever Obsidian is downloaded, I'm just going to click over here and I'm going to go and open Obsidian and click on this button for installing Obsidian. So you can choose the languages you'd like to, either English, Spanish, French, Italian, or whatever it was. I prefer to make it English, and here you're going to create new vault. So we click on create, and here you're going to choose the vault name. So in my case I would choose Ahmed vault here, as you can see. And here you can put the location, so you click on browse to define the location. So I'm going to put it in desktop and click on select folder, and here click on create. Now you open the website, and now Obsidian is open. You're going to click over here to create a new folder. So let's say for example folder number 1, and here we click on the folder itself in order to use it. So we're going to click on control N to go for a new folder, and here's the untitled, and I say for example notes for folder 1. And here you can, for example, use some shortcuts. For example, if you use two hashtags and you write the title, it will be on this way, the font. And if you use only one hashtag and say title, it's going to be on the biggest font a little bit. And so also these for some notes and so on and so forth that you can use on Obsidian. And at the end, that was all in today's video. I hope that you found the video useful and helpful and straight to the point. Thanks for watching and have a good day.